What's up, YTV? This is DJ Y, and I'm back with another episode, guys. Today we have breaking news for your legendary uncle Snoop Dogg reunited with Daz and Kurupt in new Daz Kurupt studio and cooking up something special, bro. You guys, we have new song, collaborative track by legendary Dogg Pound on the way. Also, Snoop Dogg currently working on new collaboration with Glorilla, man. Check this out, exclusive for Gene YTV. Come on.
Let's shoot this, man. Right on, Snoop, man. You got our ass, Snoop. Got you, Snoop.
Guys, as you see, Uncle Snoop Dogg playing basketball with Glorilla after recorded new song, man. It's always pleasure to see Uncle Snoop Dogg with new generation, man. This is highly appreciated. Also, guys, don't forget we have new DPG track on the way, man. Guys, you know that Daz and Snoop Dogg had little family conflicts, but in the end of the day, they still together, they family and making new music, man. This is crazy, man. This is beautiful. It's always pleasure to see Kurupt, Young Gotti, Daz and Uncle Snoop Dogg on the same place, on the same studio. Also, my bird told me that we have new Dogg Pound album on the way, man. This is crazy. Also, what about the Dogg Pound project of Bone Thugs and DPG, man? I hope that in 2024 we will see new collaborative projects by Bone Thugs and Harmony and Dogg Pound. Also, guys, don't forget to check out new single by Uncle Snoop Dogg and DJ Premier, man. This song is already out. So it was all. If you like how we, don't forget to subscribe YTV, get notification bells, and visit hiphoptv.com. Before I finish the video, I have a question of the day, guys. Honestly, tell me, what is your all-time favorite song by legendary DPG, aka Dogg Pound? Peace.
Yo, what up? It's Mr. X to the Z Exhibit YTB. Just keep it going.